scan your way right to our site. That was almost a mistake.
Why?
Because I stuck it to the blade to show the camera that it was almost cut it again. But that little gap that you put in there when you were printing makes it perfect for cutting. Oh, there's a scratch in that one too. Very cool. Scan your way right to our site. As we were cutting the first batch, I found that some of the ink was rubbing off on my finger. We had some that got scratched and some that got smudged. So we had a few. They still scan, but they're not very presentable. So we were trying to figure out how to cure our problem and make a product that was actually worthy of handing out. So this guy is an acrylic clear coat that we used. And if you look, it is $4.99. Works well. This guy, everybody knows, but it's almost twice, a little over twice the price. So both products work really well to solve the issue, and now we have no more smudging. And I'll show you how we did it a little later on in the video.